Round 2, 52nd, back to 50s. All right, I'm gonna get a hot dog later on. Foot long over there. I get a chance.
All right.
They're always good to have, the foot longs. That bad boy. Ooh, boy. Nice. Some will have it the year, some do, some don't. It's a 59 M100. This is 51. Go over here. Oh. The lowrider. Riviera. Yeah. $465. Oh, Wildcat. Oh my goodness. 1964. Nice. Look at that big one. Oh yeah. There are a lot of 57 Chevys. Oh. Old trucks. Over here real quick. Look at that bad boy. Kind of just a classic engine. Batteries easy accessible. All your stuff. Nice interior. Love the color.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Over here. So he'll just kind of cruise around, as you can tell. It's non-stop, man. I think about it with 2 cameras. I can take pictures as I go along. So. Take a picture of that bad boy. Nice. We'll go over here. This is the state fairgrounds here. Come on down here. Look at some. I like that vehicle, but it's just a little much. This bad boy. Picture that bad boy. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Once in a while, you gotta take some pictures, right? Yeah, there's just so many cool cars there. It's just, you can never get enough. That engine, oh my goodness. This is what was it, 1951. Really nice. Another Chev. .421 Grand Prix, nice. This one's nice, this Rambler. Oh my God. GMC, man. Very nice. 15K, I don't think so. 218-831-0308. Let's go back up this way. That's the go in the haunted house. They go on and on and on. It goes all over the place. Go over here, a bunch over here. Get in here, what's that? Hassle and a half. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have some music you're gonna hear here. It's gonna suck, but it's the way it is. You're gonna hear it. It's gonna probably get demonetized. Well, they'll share it, but away she goes. Yeah, it's got Hemi. Nice. So you're gonna hear it. Nothing I can do about it. They don't. It's not a strike. Just it won't be. If I share the monetized with somebody else, it's not a big deal. Can't help it. Away she goes. The only thing sucks, but I've done it one time. I tried to take it out. It just took my whole voice out. So it didn't even bother anymore. It's the way it goes. Nothing you can do about it. Here's a nice one. Oh, that's nice. Look at that bad boy. Holy moly. Nice. There's one here. It's Snow White. Look at that engine. Here's this bad boy. 1960. Be cool to have an Impala collection. Yeah, nothing you can do about it when you get the music, but it's the way it goes. They play music, it gets loud. For sale. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Nice. A lot of it, they don't. The other show I go, this is a rare vehicle right here. Biscayne two-door, very, very rare. You don't see a lot of those at all. Look at that bad. The best day to come here because you're gonna. It's Everyone leaves tomorrow. Bad boy. Nice. It's a Bel Air too. It's a rare one. Walk over here.
I realize everybody's entitled to their opinion, except when it's wrong.
There we go. Let's go over here. There's a bunch over here. Look at these engines. Look at these suckers. Oh my goodness. I love these Apaches. Those are cool. Reclaimed metals, west side, nice. Nice. Very nice. Look at that bad boy. That's nice. Here's a nice one. Look at this Sunline Cruiser. Nice. Oh my word. Nice. Very, very nice. It is a 1955. Oh, put the top down this bad boy. That'd be a nice vehicle. 35K. 41 Ford, nice. 651-454-8494. Leave message. Yeah, take that up to Route 66. Very nice. There's so much. I mean, there's so much to see here. It's like you can only do so much. That bad boy. Way to go. 1946. Put the top down on these things, man. Put the top down. That's a convertible. That makes it look so cool. Oh, I like these when they have the pictures of it. So they weren't when they got it all put together. Very nice. That's a nice one right there too as well.
Red line.
Nice. Very, very nice. Oh, see, just telling you, you look at them all over there. That's a convertible over there too as well. That's a nice one right there. Nice convertible, but you're probably afraid something's going to happen when you put the top down. Registration number, 62 Impala. Nice. So you get over here, no one's over here, so you can kind of come over here and get a good look at stuff. Very nice. Right. That's nice. Those are nice. That's a nice red one right there. That's nice. Very, very nice. We'll go over here. I gotta go take a leak. So we'll go over here. We'll get some over here.
Yeah,
Bad boy,
honey.
huh?
Yeah.
Very nice. I love the way you get at the engine and stuff. It's really kind of cool. Hard top. '55 Mercury. And going on that vehicle, we'll go over here and then we'll shut her down with the second one here. So got a lot more to go, a lot more to look at, but I could probably do 20 videos on all these vehicles. It's just there's so many. It's fun. It's a fun show to go to, regardless if you're paid or not. This is a rare one right here, another Bel Air two-door. Very, very rare. Very much a collectible. Don't see a lot of those. 62, I figured. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Round 2 in the books.